Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Noun, or in other words, name. Noun is the name of anything present in this universe. Two basic kinds are countable and uncountable. Other five kinds include common, proper, material, collective, and abstract noun. Common noun means common thing, common person or place, as chair, boy, and city. But when we give them names, they become proper, as Ali, Lahore, and as teacher's chair and the Holy Quran. The things which are made of material like silver, gold, platinum, iron, wood, etc., are included in this kind. We name this kind material noun. Now come towards collective noun. Collective means collective nouns in fact indicate towards a group of nouns that make a class. Army, team, police, herd, flock, bunch, dozen, etc. are included in this kind. Abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of any idea that is a kind of noun that is verbal. In other words, these nouns cannot be seen in its real form, like honesty, friendship.